Now, as a developer, what else do we need? So let me go to the diagram. So one is a dev space. As a developer, you will be working. Second, you will be working with SAP Mobile Service Cockpit. What is Mobile Service Cockpit? All these are part of Business Application Studio. These are the different tools which we need to use as a developer to configure our application. Yes. So one is to develop, we need to use the BAS, and to configure our application, what services, features, what devices, what users, what services it will interact with, the application name, title, type of application, domain information, application, automatic logout timing, all these things which you need to configure, they will be done in the mobile service cockpit. So this is the central cockpit where a developer will manage all the MDK applications and their namespaces centrally. So let's go back to the BTP account. So here our dev space is running, which is good. In the meanwhile, I will come back, and this time we should have our mobile service which we were creating is ready. You can see it's ready here. Yes. So this mobile service, SAP mobile service is ready. So now we can just go ahead and open SAP Mobile Service Cockpit, where we can configure our first mobile application. So to launch the mobile service cockpit, we go to this mobile service option, click here, and we can click on this service. And here we will get a option called support. Here it is. Yes, we click on support. It will open a new window where we sign in with the default identity provider. Yes, and it will perhaps redirect you to the permissions. Okay, that's good, no problem. I say authorize, please. And now it's asking the organization and space. So we will choose the default for the trial, which is available.